Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Firstly, if your phone is locked to any carrier, you will be needing the IMEI number for the part of the unlocking process, and to get that you simply dial *#06# to display the IMEI number. I have the IMEI number correctly written down. Then I'm going to head to Cellunlocker.net. Now I'm going to get my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 unlocked from the Cellunlocker.net. So I'm going to select the unlock Samsung, and it asks to select the Samsung model, which is the Z Fold 3. Yeah, it's here already. Then it asks to what network it's locked to, the at&t, and it asks for the IMEI number, which I am going to input right now. 0237720600372. So they are doing a check to be sure that they will be able to unlock this phone, and it has come out positive that they can get this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 unlocked for $74.99. So I will quickly input my details. And my telephone number. Click agree to the terms. And then you click buy now. You could make payment via PayPal or debit or credit card, but I choose PayPal as my preferred mode of payment. So I'm going to get a code from PayPal and make that payment now. I have successfully made that payment, and my order number has been sent in. So I'm going to have to give them 1 business day for them to send me the unlock code. I have just received an email from Cellunlocker.net with the unlock code, which I will quickly write down. Now I have my unlock code written down. To confirm that this phone is actually locked to a network, I will put the SIM card from another carrier into the phone. Yeah, it says enter network code. Enter network code. Your phone is not allowed to use this SIM card. So I will enter the network code that was sent to me by Cellunlocker.net. And 2815317009, and I click unlock. Verifying network unlocked. That is how you get your phone unlocked. Thank you, Cellunlocker.net, for unlocking my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. To confirm that this phone has been unlocked, I will quickly place a call to the phone number. I just got a text message from the network. Use the phone to make a call and see if indeed it is unlocked. Indeed, the phone is unlocked. And to confirm that, let me take this call now. And you can see that the phone is actually unlocked as the call is active. Thank you, Cellunlocker.net, for a job well done. Bye guys.